Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're about to do some fall glam. I wanted to do something really cute. I saw this really cute ombre look and I wanted to do it but with different colors, with some fall colors. So I have an idea in my head of what I want to do. I hope it comes out how I see it in my head, because you know sometimes you have stuff in your head but the execution ain't there. I haven't seen anybody do the look that I'm thinking in my head, how I'm thinking it, so I'm really excited to see how this comes out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this fall glam vibe comes out, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Like this video, share it, comment below, let me know how you're feeling about this look, and stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Alright y'all, let's get started on this look. Look. Let's get started on this look. Alright. Tell me this little curl didn't just bang. Like, I've been trying to get my bob to like bang like this, but I don't know how to use the flat iron like all like that. But I'm like, hold up. Now watch, by the time I finish this, it's gonna be all flat. Oh well, we gonna figure it out. But let's get started, y'all. How are y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I just woke up today feeling blessed, highly favored, loved by the Lord, thankful, full of gratitude for everything God has done for me. So I'm in a great mood right now. So I hope that vibe is going up on you guys. You guys are feeling good today too, because we have so much to be thankful for, whether we're where we want to be or not. We are blessed. All right. So let's get started. For this look, I will be using glitter. So we'll start off with the eyes. We're going to start off with the brows. And for the under part of my brows, I'm going to use the Vibez base. And for the top, I'll use concealer. So don't you hate when you know something is right up in your face and you just like, where is it? It's right here, guys. My Vibez base. Oh my God, you guys. My husband is at a meeting right now, so I'm home with my kids and they're doing their homeschooling right now. When I tell you, every time I start filming, they try me. They try my existence. You see what I'm talking about? Yes, Leilani.
Mariah's wearing sunglasses while she does her work.
Leilani, as long as her work is getting done, I don't care. Why are you worried about her?
And she keeps walking over to me and showing me her sunglasses and being like,
tell her I said sit down and do her work and don't get back up. And I don't want you to get back up either.
Without sunglasses?
I'm looking at the work you're doing right now, and you haven't got much done since I got in here.
Okay. Bye, beauties.
See, I thought I was playing. Try my every existence. Trying my life. This is mom life, okay? Alright, that's good. Now I'm going to use the rest of this base. The brushes I use are from Showstoppers Beauty for my brow brushes, so definitely if you're looking for some good brow brushes, they have bomb kits. Alright, and so for the eyes, we're going to be using the crayon case, the matte book. This is my favorite matte palette. It's so beautiful. This is how the palette looks. If you don't have any of the crayon case products, what are you doing? What are you doing? And we're about to get started on this look. Transitioning. We're going to go into this color here. It's a good transition color. So now I need to pack some color on. I'm going to go into this yellow here. Right? Now we're going to go into orange. This color right here. Alright, so now we're going to go into this red color. Next I'm going in with this burgundy color here and mixing it with this brown here. Now to blend out this top part, I'm going to go into this color again. Alright, so now we're going to start adding some glitter. I'm using my EA Atelier glitter, EA Beauty glitter adhesive. I'm going to start off at the yellow. Alright, so we're going to want to do the rest of the face now, and then we'll do the bottom of the eyes after we've already gotten things going. But this is so pretty so far. It is cute. It came out cute like I had in my head. We're going to go ahead and moisturize with the Clearly Brighter sunscreen from Garnier. And my skin has been feeling like a little bit drier lately, so I'm going in with this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Facial Oil. Next I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Now we're going to go in with the Truffle from Fenty Beauty. I just do this sloppily because it doesn't matter. I'm not really blending it in that much because I just want this to be there to help to get the foundation to come out to be more of the right color, because it's a little too light. So if I reverse contour, it brings the color to be about where it needs to be, because it's contoured already, and then the highlighted areas need to be lighter anyway. So I'm going in with Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue and 127 Medium Tan. I use about one and like not even a half, one and a little pump. I feel like if I go in too much, the color just is off. See how that looks perfect? It's like my perfect complexion. You can see my arm there. That's what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go in with my Truffle again from Fenty Beauty. Then we're going to highlight with the number 16 from Juvia's Place. And we're going to start blending in this contour. We look good, hunty. Good, good, good. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and start setting with the chalk powder in the letter C. Alright, so first I go in light to just set all of the wet areas. Then I'm going in a little bit heavier because I'm going to have to do my under eye shadow, and I need a barrier there. Now this is too light for my whole face, so I'm going to go in now with the chalk dust in the letter N. I know I look crazy, y'all, but it's gonna come together, I promise. Now we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm gonna go in with this white pencil from Palladia and put that into the waterline. Now I want to clean up the ends, so I'm gonna go back into my setting powder and go in with my flat brush and just fix this. Okay, so the lashes are drying. While that happens, let's go ahead and put some mascara on. This is cute. So that is good, y'all. I'm liking this. This is so cute. I'm gonna let that sit still just a little bit longer, just a little bit, just a touch, a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my blush. I'm going in with Pixie by Petra. I want this blush to be a hint smidgen darker, so I'm gonna go into my Steve Laurent on blushing. And then I'm gonna go into Morphe Blogger. Now I'm gonna take my powder puff and just go underneath where my contour is without adding product. Those cheekbones are cut, okay? Now we're gonna go in with our highlight. This is the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go into my Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna go into the color called Trust Issues. So for the brow highlight, I'm gonna go into my highlighter, and this is the Honor Roll highlighter. Okay, so that is really good, y'all. That's good. We're doing good. We're doing good. I'm really loving how this is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this away here. Okay, so I cannot lose this footage. As y'all can see, the lighting is changing. Let me hurry up and finish this lip so we can just finish this look before I am upset about losing this light. So this is Orlando from Lena Lashes. And then this is Bear from the crayon case. Then we need to add a little bit of Cupid's bow. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I think this look is so beautiful. Fall glam all the way. The glitter is just setting it off, and the colors are just so beautiful and just look like autumn leaves, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know how you are feeling about this fall glam vibe below. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, 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 hey. Don't forget to comment and share this video as well. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.